Young hearts burning for the fight, dreaming of a warrior's name. Footsteps echo through the hall, hear the distant crowds call.